Dito kami sa hospital. Si Abuti. Say hi.
Hi.
How did you see?
I put makeup today because I put makeup sometimes.
Yes, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful now.
Ay, ito si Gina. Kasama namin.
Papacheck up din.
Pa-check up ng puso niya.
Anong
Ganda.
namamaga?
Sa hospital, dito muna kami. Naantay namin si Abuti nasa loob. Ayun, sinurang makulit.
Yep.
Ayan. Pupunta kami mamaya.
Because it doesn't get dirty. Because today for the corona, you have to be careful and wear a mask.
Ano daw? Dahil sa corona, magiging careful siya kaya nagtug ng mask. Oh, wala kami signal.
Facing man.
Pupunta kami ngayon pagka sa amin dito. Hindi namin alam kung pupunta kami ng Red Sea Mall o
We're not going to, maybe we're not going to the sea mall.
o kaya sa kanyang
We're
teta.
touching the Mickey Mouse and I have makeup.
Oh, sige, mamaya na. Marami na tao. Baka bawal mag-video dito. Si Gina, nangangarap po.
Yeah. She's not
Donya, di ba?
telephone
Madam
today.
Gina.
She's not reading my dog.
O sige, mamaya na ha.
And,
Mamaya na ulit.
and you have to be careful of
Yes.
virus corona. Subscribe to our channel and be careful of virus corona. Be careful, not be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always wear mask.
Always wear mask. Nura to. Mamaya na lang ha. Okay, bye-bye. Andiyan na yung mga makukuleto. Ayan o, naghihilot kasi matanda na siya. Ayan. Gurang na, ayan. Ayan, si Chams. Si Chams, ayun si Apple. Apple, tatampalin kita. Takot ka na naman sa Apple, isa. Hindi ka tikingon?
Personal, hindi.
Nora, say hi, Nora. Nora. Ayun si Apple, oh. Ayan. Nora.
Say hi, Nora.
Hi! I'm with my cousins again. Hi!
And then what did you say? Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel, bye! Our channel! Me and my daughter's channel!
Nora, why you put the ice cream in the hands of Mushin,
Ayan.
ha?
Diba? Ang kukulit namin. Nandito kami sa mother ng aming amo. Tingnan mo. Ayan. Si Apple nagtatago. Kasi ayaw niya makita yung face niya. Gerlin. Ganda, di ba? Pinsan ni Gina yan. Ano ito? Ano ba to? Ito si Capre. Yung si Gina, Unano. Duwende. Ayan si Agnes. Ay. Yan na, Nora, come here. What did you say?
Hi! Today,
We're here.
we're here at my teta's house. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the toy store. I'm so excited. I'm gonna tell my cousins, can they go or no?
And
If they
then,
can't, we're just gonna go.
Yala, Galia.
And now it's her turn. She tells.
You, Galia. You, Galia.
I'm so excited for tomorrow. More excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
like
you
a
say
skateboard.
goodbye.
Goodbye. Subscribe to our channel. I mean, me and my dad's channel. Just she's saying our channel.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you so much to watch and subscribe my channel and like
14 days na
Our channel.
our channel.
Kayo.
Okay?
Wala pang ano ngayon. Bis ka dyan.
Ito si Kendall.
Tayo nang namumutla ako.
Si Kendall namumutla. Baka may
Sa atin, 30 to 40.
sige na po. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to all of my friends, to my kadada, and
Bakit?
to my friend, to all of my friends. Yala ka. Oh, eto pa, to all channel. Ito pa. Hello, said hello. Hi.